Welcome to the channel. So you guys, this video was not planned, as you can tell. I'm at home, I'm just chilling. But I am one of those people, when I find something, I have to share it. Now, I have not opened this something yet because I want to talk about it for a little bit. But before I get started, welcome. If this is your first time here, I normally do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. Here lately, sis, listen, it's been a struggle because YouTube can mess with your psyche. You think, you're going to get on here and you're going to do X, Y, and Z and it's going to be fabulous. And wait, I'm having a hot flash. But then it's not that way. So then, you get all this disappointment. So I'm in that stage. I'm in that stage because I've been doing this for a minute and it's still not moving as I think it should move. But I do know, this is what I have to keep reassuring myself. I do know that all things come in God's time. Not my time, but his time. So evidently it's simply not my time. So with all that said, and tell you how much I've been disappointed, that's why I've not really been doing the videos as I had been doing them. But we're going to see what happens. I'm not going to promise anything. We're going to see what happens. So I got that out of the way. So let me say, hey girl, hey. So listen, I am a Tamron Hall fan. So I was watching Tamron last week. And last week, the whole week was her introducing us to upcoming designers, right? So this one particular day I was watching, because I missed a few days. I'm going to have to try to go back. Girl, that's a big one. You see that? I'm going to have to go back and try to watch because I saw some things that I thought were fabulous. But I did see this one designer. Her name was Jordyn Wood. Now, I have not researched Jordyn a whole. So this is what I found. Jordyn is 28. She was discovered on Instagram and asked if she was interested in modeling. She walked her first runway in the Lane Bryant Christian Siriano fashion show. She was a model for Coee Kardashian's clothing company. Woods launched her own size-inclusive active line, Second Nature, in 2018. In the same year, Kylie Cosmetics launched Kylie and Jordyn Collection, a collection between friends. In 2019, Jordyn launched a clothing line with boohoo.com, and she has also a hair extensions line, and she has her own wellness app. So I can't share a whole lot about her except for she's a younger woman. I would say Jordyn is probably, I think she said she's like early 20s. I can't remember what, but she's in her early 20s. And I was impressed with some of her items. So this one thing got me so, honey, I'm like, oh my God, I have got to have that. Well, it came today. And I want to show you. I'm going to open it with you because, you got to share with your girls. And you guys, the guys that watch, you could always, bless your girl, your woman, your wife with this item. So, because I'm pretty sure she'll like it. So this is the box. I've already opened it, but that's all I did was open the box. And this is how it comes. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck is that? So, and I did tell my husband said, what is that? So he said he wanted to see it, but girl, you're not going to show the ladies first. The ladies have to know. The ladies have to see it first. So this is how it comes. You see? And excuse all the noise. It didn't take that long to come, if I remember right. So here's your dust bag. Okay, I want a dust bag is a dust bag, but this is your dust bag here. So you kind of know what it is, right? So I'm pulling it out of here. then it is wrapped some more. Girl, you ain't gonna be able to tell me anything. Okay. Okay. So, oh my goodness. Okay. They got it wrapped pretty good. You guys, do you see this? Do you see this? This is a clutch purse. This is what the inside is looking like. Got your stuffing. Oh. Hold on now, hold on. Let me go now. Put that under my arm. So listen, baby, this is a statement piece. This says, I like a little class. I like a little style. But what I want to see is there are two straps. Trying to see what the difference is in the straps, and you know I'm loving because the hardware is silver. So is this one the same? Or maybe so, I don't know. Let's just open it and see. I'm still opening straps. I guess it's got the same length. It looks the same. So let's see. So let me finish showing you. On the front of this, it has woods. Remember I told you her name is Jordyn? And actually, that's not the front. That is actually the back of the purse. This is the front of the purse. You've got the two snaps right there. So on the inside, there's a pocket right here. See a pocket? So you got a pocket on one side. And let's put these in and see. I don't understand why there's two. So with one, you can carry it like this. But why would I need two? Okay, so off camera, I figured out the second strap is adjustable. This one is not. Or is this just an extra, just in case? Let's see, let's see if we can do two at a time. Get it on there, right? Okay. You guys, I have been in the best mood all day because I got some great news. I mean, if you are, listen, so this is just got to be an extra because I can't get this one on there with the one that's already on there. Hold on now. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Ooh, wee. Baby, she's nasty. I absolutely love her. It has like a crocodile or whatever embossment on it. Again, it has my silver hardware. This is so, you know, you can, listen, if you want to go for an edgy look, you can do an edgy look with this, carrying it as a shoulder strap or as a as a clutch. Or when you're trying to be formal, you could still carry this bag with some, baby. Baby girl. This is absolutely fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. As I was saying, because I know I didn't finish that thought, I got some news today that just shouted my spirit, shouted my soul. And it's one of those things, if you believe in prayer, if you believe in the power of prayer, baby, it was one of them. Because I had been praying and praying and praying and praying. I had a couple of people praying with me. And he answered. He answered. So, child, shout out to, I think the little lady's name was Tiffany, Tammy, somebody, girl. I don't know. But she made my day. So, back to this purse. Girl. Woo. So, again, this designer's name is Jordyn, Jordyn Woods. And again, I saw her on Tamarind Hall. I think you can go back on YouTube to the Tamarind Hall show and watch, because as I said, there were some other designers that I saw that I was impressed with that I want to go back and hear a little bit more, because there was a lot of distractions going on that day. But this, baby girl, this did not disappoint. Now, it only came in two colors. It came in the black and it came in the brown. I actually wanted the brown, but the brown had sold out. So I will leave the link down below. And girl, come on. Come on with it now. Come on. Come on in the room. I'm in the room now. So anywho, there are some other things, because I've been meaning to do a haul for a minute now. Child, listen. We need to hear him get that done before it's a totally new season. So I'm going to try to get that done for you because there is something else that I want to share with you guys. I'll probably do a short on that first before I do the actual video. I don't know, because, you know, with these videos, you got to get all dolled up and spruced up and, you know, because you want to present your best. And this item, baby, requires that I give you my best. So I'm going to close here, but you know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And let me get this right here, girl. Let me get this right here. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.